Hello, we are the Green Polymer project. Our sponsor is Dr. Meserly, and our advisor is Dr. Letcher, and I am Sarah Broad.
I'm Carly Johnson.
Daniel Sharp.
Ivan Snishko.
And I'm Luke Thompson.
We are designing a 3D printer that is capable of printing polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are widely available, environmentally friendly, and inexpensive. All these aspects make polysaccharides a great potential plastic replacement, especially for single-use plastics.
But what are polysaccharides? Basically, they're polymers composed of chains of glucose, which is a type of sugar molecule.
The polysaccharides we'll be working with come in a liquid form with a consistency similar to honey or corn syrup. We'll need a pump system to be able to extrude this material, as well as a cooling and heating system to accommodate the material's chemical properties.
Instead of designing a 3D printer from scratch, we decided to purchase an FDM printer and modify it to fit our needs. For our pump system, we decided to go with a syringe mount, and for our cooling and heating system, we decided to use thermoelectric coolers mounted onto an aluminum heatsink, which also holds our syringe.
We have started assembling and testing all of the major systems of our 3D printer. By the end of the academic year, the Green Polymer group will have created a 3D printer that is capable of printing polysaccharides.